Have you ever pondered the cogency of administrative functions in the successful realization of strategic objectives? It may seem like an underappreciated cog in the grand machinery of business operations, but it is truly the lifeblood that keeps it all running smoothly. Dive into the world of administration with a fascinating case study: the rise of Tesla, a company that transcended boundaries to become a globally recognized brand. It wasn't simply Elon Musk's vision or the groundbreaking technology that propelled Tesla to its current status. An often overlooked element is the company's robust administrative backbone that supported its lofty strategic objectives. When Tesla was in its nascent stages, the administrative team was tasked with a monumental challenge: to streamline operations, ensure regulatory compliance, manage resources, and maintain a steady flow of communication both internally and externally. It was a daunting task, considering the highly innovative and disruptive nature of Tesla's products. Yet, the administrative team rose to the occasion. They developed an efficient operational framework that allowed the company to navigate the treacherous waters of the automotive and energy sectors. They ensured that every process, every protocol, every policy was in alignment with the company's strategic objectives. One of Tesla's strategic objectives was to revolutionize the automotive industry by making electric cars mainstream. The administrative functions played a pivotal role in this. They coordinated with different departments, managed supply chains, and ensured that the production process was as smooth as possible. They also handled the legal complexities of introducing such a disruptive product to the market. In essence, the administrative team acted as the glue that held everything together. They provided the structural support that allowed the rest of the organization to focus on innovation and growth. Without their meticulous planning, coordination, and execution, Tesla's strategic objectives might have remained mere dreams. To encapsulate, administrative functions are the unsung heroes of any organization. They provide the structure and support that allow a company to pursue its strategic objectives. In the case of Tesla, the administrative team was instrumental in the company's journey from a startup to a global leader in electric vehicles. The key takeaways are: firstly, administrative functions provide a robust operational framework that aligns with and supports strategic objectives. Secondly, they ensure a smooth flow of communication, manage resources, and handle regulatory compliance, which are crucial for the successful implementation of strategic objectives. And finally, they act as the glue that binds the organization together, providing the necessary support that allows the rest of the company to focus on growth and innovation. Remember, it's the behind-the-scenes work of administrative functions that often paves the way for the spotlight moments in a company's journey. So appreciate the complexities and the critical role of administration in achieving strategic objectives. It's not just about the vision, it's also about the execution. And execution, as demonstrated by companies like Tesla, is often powered by efficient and effective administrative functions.